Hi you all, my name is Oscar Benavides, and today let's talk about biomarkers in neurodegenerative disease. Especially, we will talk about cortisol as a specific biomarker. The neurodegenerative disease, such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, multiple sclerosis, and others, are just some examples of this disease. It is important to know that amyloid polyneuropathy family are characterized by a progressive loss of anatomically or physiologically related neuronal systems, such as cognitive function, dementia, and problems with movements. So, development of biomarkers may measure disease risk, presence, and progression. And this is one of the main goals and challenge in research in neurodegenerative disease. For National Institutes of Health, a biomarker is a characteristic that is objectively measured and evaluated as an indicator of normal biological process, pathogenic process, or pharmacological responses to a therapeutic intervention. Body fluids such as cerebrospinal fluid, serum, saliva, blood, or urine offer an attractive medium to biomarker analysis. Cortisol is a steroid hormone and the most important human glucocorticoid. It regulates a variety of important cardiovascular, metabolic, immunological, homeostatic, and also brain functions, such as brain metabolism, gene expression, and memory. Then, the development of biomarkers that might measure disease risk, presence, and progression is one of the main goals and challenge in research in neurodegenerative disease. The viability of neuroimaging and biomolecular biomarkers to monitor and control brain change structures, inflammatory process, and other biochemical pathways enable investigation of different pathways that may be related to neurodegenerative disease. Cortisol indicate that it might independently cause brain atrophy. An increase, even peripheral or central, of the nervous system cortisol levels have been reported in neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer's disease and may reflect dysfunction of several components of the hypothalamic, pituitary, adrenal axis. Elevated cortisol levels have also been associated with reduced learning and memory abilities in normal aging. Neurodegenerative disease are a growing problem worldwide, given the rapidly aging population. The current search for biomarkers, then, is very important. Biomarkers for neurodegenerative disease should reflect the central pathogenic process of the disease. For example, for neuronal degeneration. Then, in conclusion, there is an urgent need for biomarkers to diagnose neurodegenerative disease early in their course, in order to differentiate them from another related disease or subtypes, and to monitor responses of patients to new therapies.